Hey!
I will use 4mm yarn, a hook of 5mm, needle and scissors. So let's begin! And we start with this spiral. Make a slip knot and then chain 26. Once done, single crochet 2 times into the second chain from the hook. And now we are going to single crochet 2 times in each chain till the end of the row. And because of that, our line is going to twist. When it's done, make one chain and cut the yarn. The first spiral is done, so we repeat the same for the second one. And make a knot to join our 2 spirals. And it's already looking really nice, but let's add a bow. Slip knot and chain 21. Now half double crochet into the second chain from the hook and repeat half double crochet into the next 8 chains. So in total you should get 9 half double crochet. Now make 2 slip stitches and half double crochet till the end of the row. Again, it should be 9 in total. Chain 1, turn your work and repeat half double crochet 9 times, 2 slip stitches and half double crochet 9 times. And we repeat it for round 3 and for round 4. And this is how it's going to look like. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now I'm going to use a needle to stitch 2 sides of my bow together, like in the video. By the way, if the video is useful, I would really appreciate your like. You can also subscribe to my channel for other tutorials. And to crochet tails, we will do the same, just we'll have a change in the number of chains. Make slip knot and then chain 19. Half double crochet into the second chain from the hook and then half double crochet 7 more times. In total you should get 8 half double crochet. Then make slip stitches in the next 2 chains and 8 half double crochet till the end of the row. Chain 1, turn your work and repeat. Half double crochet 8 times, 2 slip stitches and half double crochet 8 times. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. And now I'm going to make one knot to join the parts. And final detail is the center of the bow, even though it looks already really nice. I'm going to chain approximately 10 times, you can chain a bit less or more, it depends on the size of your bow. And then I'm going to single crochet in each chain. Chain 1, turn your work and repeat. Single crochet into each stitch. Now chain 1, then cut the yarn, and we are going to use the needle to join all the parts together. And now let's add our spins again by using the needle. And it's done. Thank you for watching this video, hit the like if it was useful, subscribe to my channel, happy holidays and happy crocheting. Bye!